Persons living with disability in Ghana can contribute to socio-economic developments of the country when empowered. But as a society, more needs to be done in order to improve the lives of persons with disability so they do not see themselves as a burden. In light of this, the Charismatic Evangelistic Ministries, in its third edition of A Day of Help for Persons with Disability, aims to create a disability village to serve as a place where about 10,000 persons with disability can access education, gain vocational training, as well as shelter.
They are hiding in holes, they are hiding in hamlets, some of them are under bridges and things. We are bringing them out from those places so they can get fresh air, they can receive help, they can receive aid, then we can register them, because going forward, we want to, like you said, we want to build a big village and bring all these homeless people into a proper home place. Miriam got to know what we are doing, and she's come to partner with us, and we are very, very honored to be partnering with them. We want to help them to help us to be able to identify some of these skillful women who need employment, who need to be skilled so that they can be integrated into society. So her company and her NGO is very, very laudable, and we are going to team with them and help them as they also help us.
Within this village, our vision is that we are going to, accommodate about 5,000 to 10,000 families on a 1,000-acre piece of land around Agomeda. And within this village, we are going to support people with disabilities to enter into employment, to enjoy good health care and social services, and also in education. When we talk about health and social care, we are building a hospital there to support them. We're also going to build free, housing units for them. And then we are going to do what we call supported housing. That means we are going to model their houses to be able to accommodate their special needs.
Persons living with disabilities say the project will change their lives if implemented. They have been marginalized by the society for too long and want to make meaningful impact.
Me say me leg amputee. The ball amputee national team. He says so through a beginning to say at league. I'm a ball team a friend of our hope. Amputee football team as say on the league table no. You're that second. Bomb price so mama will be beyond no boy and so. The engineer and so more quite one stress scan. I'm say in the back on free quite and make a baby. Then boy my name boy and so.
I go through a lot of challenges, especially my sight, my skin is sensitive to the sun, and it's going to help me because if I want to further my education, it's going to help me to get to where I have not been able to get to.
People need support. For example, if you have a person with disability, you live with a disabled person at home, he needs to be emotionally supported. There are some physical structures that you can provide, but if the persons are not there, if it doesn't have the family support, so people need to understand that everything involves humans. We can have laws, we can have projects, we can have buildings, everything, but without human support, so that's a key factor. That's a key factor. Normally, our politicians like to talk about social integration and all that, but I don't think we will. Because we need support.
The Starr Woman Dream Edition project has for some months now touched the lives of persons with disability in the northern region by empowering them with vocational skills. Hence, the decision to partner with the Charismatic Evangelistic Ministries to make more impact in the lives of persons living with disability.
This is a very powerful partnership for us to advance this movement. As we partner A Day of Help together with CEM, we are also going to support the reach out, which we already are also doing in the northern region and the other regions that we received Starr Ghana funding for. But beyond that, we'll pick up the issues that we're seeing for the disabled that are coming. Government policy and a program to provide health care. Is it working? Government policy, we are even trying to lobby government to be able to extend a real hand of help to this project.
The Disability Village is expected to take 5 years to be completed. The Starr Woman Dream Edition is poised to partner more organizations to make the lives of persons living with disability worthwhile as they aim to also contribute their quota to to the development of Ghana.